DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro, a new action camera from DJI. Key features: rugged design, dual screens, improved image quality, stabilization, and extended battery life. Competitor: GoPro. Proposed article structure: 1. Introduction. A captivating hook related to action, sports, or adventure. Brief overview of the action camera market. Introduction of the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. 2. Design and durability. In-depth analysis of the camera's physical build, materials, and weatherproofing. Compare it to previous DJI models and competitors. Discuss real-world scenarios where the durability would be beneficial. Display and user interface. Explore the advantages of the dual-screen setup. Discuss the user interface, controls, and customization options. Compare it to other action cameras in terms of usability. 4. Image and video quality. Detailed analysis of the camera's sensor, lens, and image processing. Compare its low-light performance, dynamic range, and color accuracy. Showcase sample footage in various conditions, e.g. action sports, underwater, at night. 5. Stabilization and features. In-depth explanation of DJI's Rocksteady 3.0 stabilization technology. Discuss other features like time-lapse, slow motion, and hyperlapse. Compare the stabilization to competitors. 6. Battery life and power management. Analyze the battery capacity and performance. Discuss the charging options and compatibility with accessories. Compare it to other action cameras in terms of battery life. 7. Connectivity and integration. Explore the camera's connectivity options, e.g. Wi-Fi, Bluetooth. Discuss compatibility with DJI's ecosystem, e.g. drones, apps. Compare it to competitors in terms of integration. 8. Software and apps. Analyze the camera's companion app and software features. Discuss editing capabilities, cloud storage, and community integration. Compare it to competitors in terms of software support. 9. Comparison with competitors. In-depth comparison with GoPro and other leading action cameras. Highlight the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro's strengths and weaknesses. Discuss the target audience for each camera. 10. Conclusion. Summarize the key points of the article. Offer a final opinion on the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. Provide recommendations for potential buyers.